Welcome every one of you to today's English classes, and today we are going to study pronoun. Okay, now what are pronouns? So we have seen earlier in our parts of speech video that pronouns are the words that are used instead of noun. हाँ, pronoun क्या है? They are the words that are used instead of noun. जो हम noun के बदले use करते हैं that are called as pronouns. अभी pronoun क्यों जरूरी है ना? तो सपोज अगर प्रोनाउन नहीं रहता था, ओके, और किसी ने आपको पूछा व्हाट इज योर नेम, तो व्हाट इज योर नेम के बदले क्या पूछेगा? व्हाट इज नीपा नेम? माय नेम इज नीपा सपोज, तो अगर नीपा लेके पूछेंगे तो व्हाट आई विल आंसर आई एम नीपा एंड नीपा नेम इज नीपा, सीधा आंसर. वेयर डू नीपा स्टे? आई एम नीपा एंड नीपा स्टेज एट मुंबई. विच इज नीपा's फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट? नीपा's फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट इज इंग्लिश. See the confusion, कितना irritating होता है ना, again and again repeating the same name and everything. So that is why it is very important. Okay, तो इसके लिए pronoun बहुत जरूरी है. Because suppose if you want to repeat a name, और suppose अगर उसमें name बहुत बड़ा होता था तो what you would have done, and अगर वो बहुत बड़ा होता तो और भी confusion create होता था. So that is why it is very much important to use pronoun. So what are pronoun? Pronoun are used instead of noun. Okay, so the words that are used instead of noun, they are called as pronoun. Okay, and there are many types of pronoun. Okay, personal pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun. Then we have, so these are the different types of pronouns. So first we will study what are personal pronoun. Okay, personal मतलब नंबर नाम से पता चलता है ना, personal मतलब related to person. Okay, so personal pronouns are the pronouns that are related to person, and personal pronoun are of three types. एक तो पहले वो तीन टाइप के हैं, first person, second person and third person. पहले हमें क्या याद रखना है कि they are of three types: first person, second person and third person. First person, second person and third person, which we have done earlier. फिर उसके फॉर्म्स भी होते हैं. दे हैव टू फॉर्म्स, वन इज सिंगुलर फॉर्म एंड वन इज प्लूरल फॉर्म, है ना. जैसे कि अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर रहेगा तो सिंगुलर फॉर्म आएगा, सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल रहेगा तो प्लूरल फॉर्म आएगा. देन इवन दे हैव subjective, or we also call them as subject pronoun, objective, that is we also call them as object pronoun, and possessive pronoun, है ना. सपोज अगर पहले हम देखेंगे एज अ पर्सन क्या है, तो एज अ पर्सन हमने क्या देखा था? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, so as a subject if we speak about, it is first person, second person, and we have here we have the third person. So first person, second person and third person, है ना. For example, see here, the professor had taught physics today. Okay, so he is speaking, he is a speaker and is speaking to her. So this is the first person, this is the second person. So I, first person is I, जो बोल रहा है. अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ तो I, the person who is speaking. Then he is speaking to second person is you, and is speaking about the professor. Professor is he. So this is the first person, this is the second person, and this is the second person. I, you, and he. And as I told you before, they have more two forms. One is subjective and objective, and other we have singular and plural. Okay, so suppose if we speak about first person, okay, अगर हम first person बोलेंगे तो the one who is speaking, है ना, ये फर्स्ट पर्सन था ना जो बात कर रहे, तो वो सबके लिए क्या हो गया? वो उसके लिए, खुद के लिए क्या हो गया? फर्स्ट पर्सन, आई. ओके, एंड सेकेंड थिंग, दे हैड टू फॉर्म्स, वन इज सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल, और तीन फॉर्म्स थे, दैट इज सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव. सो इफ यू कैन गेस, ओके, सब्जेक्ट बोलेंगे तो सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन बोलेंगे तो इन एनी सेंटेंस, यू नो, द वर्ब दैट कम्स बिफोर, ओके, द वर्ड दैट कम्स बिफोर द वर्ब इज कॉल्ड सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन. तो क्या आएगा? आई. आई इज सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, फिर अगर पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन बोलेंगे तो माई, माइन, मेरा, तेरा, दैट इज. एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव मीन्स मी. सपोज इफ इट्स सिंगुलर, ओके, ऑब्जेक्टिव मतलब विच कम्स आफ्टर द वर्ब. वी डोंट से, ओके, आई, सपोज इफ आई से आई ईट एन एप्पल, वी डोंट से मी ईट एन एप्पल. हम ऐसा बोलते हैं क्या? मी ईट एन एप्पल? नो. An apple is eaten by me. We don't say an apple is eaten by I. We say एन एप्पल इज ईटन बाय मी। तो अगर हम फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में देखेंगे आई ईट एन एप्पल, तो आई जो है वो वर्ब से पहले आया। अगर हम लास्ट सेंटेंस सेकंड सेंटेंस में देखेंगे एन एप्पल इज ईटन बाय मी, तो मी जो है वो वर्ब के बाद आया, तो दैट इज ऑब्जेक्ट। एंड इवन आई का प्लूरल क्या हो जाएगा, वी, है ना, हम, दैट इज वी। माई माइंड का क्या हो जाएगा, अवर्स। पोजेसिव मतलब बिलोंग्स टू। फिर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन का क्या हो जाएगा, प्लूरल अस। So now see here, I am a good player. Can you tell me what is verb over here? Am. Very good. Now, what is pronoun over here? What is pronoun over here? Can you tell me what is pronoun? Yes, the pronoun is I and it is before the verb, है ना? Verb के पहले है, तो ये क्या हो गया, subjective pronoun and it is singular also. Singular क्यों, क्योंकि am है। फिर we are good players. What is verb over here? यहाँ पे we है ना, what is the pronoun over here? We. Okay, and we is also subjective pronoun, लेकिन we है तो ये क्या हो गया, plural हो गया, है ना। तो यहाँ पे verb तो आ रहा है। ओके, so we are good player, that is plural pronoun। तो plural pronoun तो singular pronoun अगर रहेगा, sorry, I just rub that, just again, just a second, yeah. So we are good players. Okay, so these are first person. Now we'll talk about the second person. Okay, if we talk about the second person, means the person to whom I is talking. Okay, तो वो कोई person तो वो क्या होगा, या we can say listening or to whom we speak. Okay, the first person speaks. Again here we have singular and plural. We have subjective, we have possessive and we have objective. तो अगर सेकेंड पर्सन है तो हमारा क्या आएगा, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मुझे कोई सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करना है तो इट विल बी यू, पोजेसिव योर एंड योर्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज यू आएगा। वैसे अगर प्लूरल का यू अगर बहुत सारे जन है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, यू ही बोलेंगे। यस, वेरी गुड। पोजेसिव है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, योर योर्स ही बोलेंगे, और ऑब्जेक्टिव है तो हम यू। तो योर यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमेम्बर कि सेकेंड पर्सन में तीन ही प्रोनाउन है, अगर हम पर्सन के हिसाब से चलेंगे, you, your and yours belongs to, okay. But suppose if we talk about subject and object, we have only two pronoun, that is you. Now see here, you like swimming. Okay, what is pronoun over here, what is verb over here? Yes, like, the verb is like. Now what is pronoun over here, you, है ना, and this is singular। क्यों singular, because you like है ना, like है मतलब this is हमें पता चलता है कि ये singular रहेगा। एंड सपोज इफ यहाँ पे प्लूरल है, आर आया ना, आर मतलब क्या हो गया, बहुत सारे जन रहेंगे, तो यू ऑल, और ऑल है तो ऑल से भी कम टू नो देर आर मेनी, मोर देन वन, तो यहाँ पे ये प्लूरल हुआ। Okay, so even this we have to see, but when we will be doing verbs, we'll come to know why like and are used over here. Then third person means about whom we are speaking. Okay, first, other than first or second person, or the one the first person is speaking. Again here we have singular plural, we have subject pronoun, possessive pronoun and objective pronoun. तो subjective में क्या आएगा, subject pronoun में आएगा he, she, it. Okay, possessive है तो his, her, hers, him, her, it. Then in plural, they, their and theirs, and them. These are third person. For example, he goes to school. He goes to school, singular pronoun, because here so we write he goes to school. What is pronoun over here? He, and goes verb से हमें पता चलता है singular है, इसके लिए हमने s वाला verb डाला। They go to school. Okay, they is plural. They मतलब बहुत सारे जन, more than one, that is called as they. So now again we'll understand how to identify whether it is subject pronoun or object pronoun. कभी कभी confusion होता है. For example, see over here, I eat an apple. So here if we will see, okay, यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे, okay, suppose if we see over here, eat is verb, okay, और ये I is pronoun. So now here I is coming before the verb, है ना, verb से पहले आया वो, है ना, it is coming before the verb, so I क्या हो गया, subject pronoun. I is subject pronoun in any sentence if we will see, okay, and subject is always in the beginning. We all know कि जो subject होता है वो कभी भी beginning of the sentence में आएगा, कभी भी हमारा sentence रहेगा, it consists of subject, verb and object. So here this is subject, so we come to know this is subject. Then see this sentence. I wrote a letter to my I wrote a letter to my father. Okay, suppose if I say I wrote a letter to my father. Again here I is subject. Why it is subject? Because here wrote जो है वो verb के पहले आया. So यहाँ पे pronoun क्या आया? Letter is subject. This is object. And even this is object. हाँ, लेकिन इसको हम बोलते हैं indirect object और इसको हम बोलते हैं direct object. Okay. But here also, why it is subject? It is subject because, why it is subject? Because it comes before the verb. So it is called as subject. Okay. Sorry, this is called as subject. So now here, see, we like chocolates. What is subject? What is the pronoun over here? Yes, we is the pronoun. Very good. We is pronoun. So that is subject. We love chocolate playing. यहाँ पे भी कौन सा pronoun है? We. And they all are coming before the verb. Verb से पहले आते तो वो कौन से हो गए? Subjective pronoun. Okay. Now suppose अगर हम objective pronoun की बात करेंगे. An apple is eaten by me. Okay. Here if we will see, this is subject, this is verb, and this is object. So यहाँ पे जो pronoun है, it is used as object. So when it is used as object, we call them as objective pronouns. So I hope every one of you understood what is subjective pronoun and what is objective pronoun. Okay. So what are pronouns? They are used instead of noun. Okay. These are our personal pronouns में singular plural होता है, first person, second person, third person होता है. फर्स्ट पर्सन में आएगा आई मी माई माइंड वी अस आर आर्स सेकंड पर्सन यू योर योर्स यू योर योर्स थर्ड पर्सन ही शी इट हिम हर हिज हर हर्स they them they are theirs. Okay, if you want you can take the screenshot of the same. And then now we will see what are the different kinds of pronouns. Okay, तो हमने पहले भी देखा कि types of pronoun कौन से हैं. We have personal pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronouns. Okay, these are main pronoun. Now what is emphatic pronoun? Okay, emphatic मतलब हम कोई चीज को अगर stress करते हैं ना तो that is called as emphatic pronoun. Okay, it is defined as pronoun that emphasizes a preceding noun or another pronoun. इससे पहले ही एक noun है, उसको वो क्या करता है? Emphasize करता है. For example, she herself cooked the food. Okay, तो see, this is also pronoun, but she herself, they are nearby. एक दूसरे से touch है ना, तो this is called as emphatic. And one more thing, for emphatic pronoun, okay, we use self. हम क्या use करते हैं? Self use करते हैं, लेकिन both the pronouns are together. Okay, they themselves. Okay, they themselves. Just 1 minute. They themselves. Again, see over here. They are nearby. Okay, they themselves. Singular, then we have to add self, and if it is plural, we have to add selves. ओके अगर प्लूरल है तो हम प्रोनाउन में क्या यूज करेंगे? सेल्फ यूज करेंगे. सिंगुलर है तो हम यूज करेंगे सेल्फ. तो दे देमसेल्फ, दे आर नियर बाय, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज एम्फेटिक pronoun. Okay, then we have reflexive pronouns. Same, even the rule for reflexive is same. Use self or self. Okay, and it is also pronoun that is used as an object to refer to a previously named noun or pronoun in the sentence. But here also we have to use self. हमें क्या करना है? हमें यहाँ पे भी सेल्फ यूज करना है, और हमें या फिर इफ प्लूरल है तो हमें सेल्फ ऐड करना है टू द प्रोनाउन. ओके, वी हैव टू ऐड सेल्फ और सेल्फ. So I can serve myself, but the difference between emphatic, see here, I can serve myself. Okay, I'm telling about reflexing. I can serve myself, or if I will say, they can help themselves. Okay, so here what we have done, we have added. But see here, over here, one more thing we have to see, that in the emphatic pronoun हमने क्या देखा? दोनों बाजू बाजू में है, but here they are not together. Okay, they are, see here it is, here it is, here it is, here it is. So this is the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. Okay, तो चलो अभी एक बार हम देखते हैं. तो add self or self in reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Difference between them is that in emphatic, personal pronoun and emphatic pronoun come together. In reflexive, it is the object pronoun. Okay, this is the difference. Then another pronoun is demonstrative, and हमने already demonstrative words किए हैं. Okay, we have already done demonstrative words है ना, हम लोगों ने already है ना. तो अगर हम लोग demonstrative pronoun की बात करेंगे तो हमने बचपन में always देखा है demonstrative मतलब near है तो this है ना, if it is near. Okay, if this is near this, if it is far away, I will say that. See, this ball is near. So if this ball is near, okay, near the grass, if you can see, wait, एक minute, हाँ, अभी ground हो गया, ठीक है. So if you see this and that, है ना, अगर near है तो this, अगर far है तो that. So this in demonstrative pronoun we use only 4 words. This, that for plural, these and those. Okay. So now here, okay. So it is defined as a pronoun that points to a particular noun or to the noun it replaces. Example, she gifted me that pen. है ना, 4 है. For demonstrative याद रखो कि इसमें वो 4 ही है. This, that, these and those. That pen. Or these are my pets. Okay, these are my pets. She gifted me that pen. Okay, so these are all demonstrative pronoun. Then we have, अरे again demonstrative ही आया. Oh, wait. Okay, so we have already done demonstrative pronoun, and now we have distributive pronoun. Distributive मतलब क्या, हम distribute करते हैं ना, each one and everyone, that comes under distributive pronoun. So it is defined as a pronoun that refers to the members of the group individually rather than collectively. Okay, individual. When we are talking about the individual, it is called as which pronoun? Distributive pronoun. Example, neither of your answer is correct. Okay, neither मतलब each one है ना, we can say neither of your, neither, either, each. Huh? You may bring any of your friends to the party. Okay, it refers to individual rather than collectively. Okay, any of your friend मतलब आप किसी को भी लेके आ सकते हो. तो this all comes under distributive pronoun. Then we have indefinite pronoun. We all know indefinite मतलब क्या होता है. Indefinite means we don't know the number, है ना, unspecified. So it is defined as a pronoun that refers to an unspecified person or thing. For example, all were treated well. Okay, specific person नहीं है, जितने भी लोग थे सबको अच्छी तरह से treat किया. Someone should take him home. Someone means it is not specified who should take. Somebody is hiding behind the door. The somebody is hiding behind the door is not specific who is hiding. Everyone should sing the national anthem, है ना, लेकिन स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. एवरीबडी में तो सब आ जाएगा, somebody में भी सब आ जाएगा. So they are called as indefinite pronoun. Then we have relative. See, नाम से पता चलता है relative pronoun मतलब क्या होता है, जो relation बताएगा. So it is defined as a pronoun that introduces a relative clause and has reference to a preceding noun. Example, I like Seema who also likes me. Okay, so I like Seema, but here it is showing relation. कौन से Seema who also likes me, it's showing the relation. This is the place that Tukaram would like to visit. Okay, तो ये कौन सी place है? So it is showing the relation. ये वही place है which Tukaram would like to visit. So it is showing relation. Okay, यहाँ पे like का relation दिखा रहा है, यहाँ पे तुकाराम को जो attend करना है वही वो place है. तो it is showing the relations between the two nouns. That is called as relative pronoun. Generally, in relative pronoun, we use subordinating conjunctions. Okay, when we will be doing conjunctions, you will come to know. But remember this, but they work as a noun. Pronoun, I mean. Okay, then interrogative, matlab from the name itself, we come to know question mark. So what is interrogative pronoun? It is defined as pronoun that introduces a question. जो question करेगा, जैसे कि who, whom, whose, which, what. For example, when I say who are you, तो यहाँ पे जो who है वो किसको refer करता है? you को, है ना, मतलब pronoun को. या वेयर इज नैनीताल, तो यहाँ पे वो नैनीताल, तो नैनीताल क्या है? नाउन है. तो जब नैनीताल नाउन है तो वेयर क्या हो गया? इट इज इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, सो अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. हम जब वो प्रोनाउन के हिसाब से व्हेन वी आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एंड दैट हु और व्हिच और हुज इज रिलेटेड टू नाउन और प्रोनाउन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंट्रोगेटिव pronoun. Then we have possessive pronoun. We have already done what is possessive pronoun before. Okay, So it is defined as a noun that take place of the noun in phrase to show ownership, or we also can say belongs to. Okay, my, hers, theirs, its. Okay. तो ये सब क्या है? These are the examples of possessive pronouns. See, the dress is mine. Mine मतलब मेरा, belongs to ना. The dress belongs to me. तो instead of belongs to me, what I will say? It is mine. The food served at his restaurant is tasty. Okay, so his restaurant means that restaurant belongs to him. So these are called as possessive pronoun. Okay, so now see here, now you have to find out okay, which is the, अभी आपको एक मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को समझ में आया what are pronoun and what are the types of pronoun. Now find the pronoun and say, आपको भी क्या करना है ना, यहाँ पे find out करना है. You have to say whether it is the first person, second person or third person, और वो कौन से नाउन को रिप्लेस करता है. टेक ऑफ ऑल योर बूट्स, दे आर वेट. ओके, यस. तो आप इसमें दो प्रोनाउन है, आपने जो किया उसमें उसके हिसाब से देयर आर टू प्रोनाउन. ओके, तो फर्स्ट वन तो दे है. नाउ यू हैव टू टेल मी वेदर इट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन, अगर वो पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है तो. यस, वेरी गुड, इट इज अ थर्ड पर्सन, और वो किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? बूट्स को. And one more pronoun is there which you all guessed it right, and that is your. And your कौन सा pronoun हो जाता है? It is possessive pronoun. Okay, your is which pronoun? It is possessive pronoun. Okay, so I hope you all understood this. Okay, now see another sentence. Okay, now call Mark after supper. He seemed worried. Okay, so first tell me personal pronoun. Okay, तो personal pronoun यहाँ पे कौन सा है? Yes, he is the पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है ना. ही हमारा क्या है? पर्सनल प्रोनाउन है. वो किसको रिफर करता है? किसके बदले यूज किया हुआ है? मार्क के बदले. वेरी गुड, ओनली वन प्रोनाउन इज ओवर हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज करेक्ट आंसर. वन मोर, लास्ट वन. Adam and Carol were playing in the kitten with the kittens. Then Carol fed them. तो यहाँ पे प्रोनाउन कौन सा है? Yes, them. And it is referring to which nouns? किटन है ना. फीड देम है, और देम कौन सा पर्सन है? फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन और थर्ड पर्सन? यस, इट इज थर्ड पर्सन. So I hope you all understood. So I hope you all understood what are the pronoun and types of pronouns. So thank you very much and bye. See you in the next lecture.